Yeah, hi all. Welcome again. So in the previous session, we have seen how to install a XAMPP server or an EC2 instance. In this session, we will be seeing how to host your PHP application or website on XAMPP server. So here is my EC2 instance, which I had used for hosting the XAMPP server in previous session. So this is my host, and this is my public IP. Okay, so I'll just quickly open my public IP and SSH to the EC2 instance. So I'm using mobile stream for SSHing to the instance. So this is my the Ubuntu. Sorry, this is my the CentOS machine, Amazon Linux 2023 AMI I'm using. So uh, if so the location for hosting your PHP code is this. Okay, so I'll just quickly switch to the super user and I'll go to the OPT and LAMP. Here is the base path of this XAMPP server. And like if you LL to this location, you can see multiple folders and files. Okay, so as you know, we are using MySQL and hosting for XAMPP server we were hosting using for hosting the PHP code. So this is my folder. So if you wanted to host the code, so you can see the htdoc folder over here. Okay, so if you go to the htdoc, so I had created this form. I'll just quickly remove this form from here and I'll create fresh for you. Okay, so as you can see, I have removed all this form. So this location blank for now. So I'll just quickly copy this uh, site IP address and like I'll paste it for you. So see, I don't see anything hosted over here. Right? The backup folder which I had created, it was for the XAMPP server backup. Okay, so you can ignore it for now. So you can see no nothing is hosted over here, right? So I had created one code for you. So this is my code. So I'll have to create one form, okay, or you can name it index as well. So form or index, you can name it anything. So I'll just quickly go here. I'll I'll put index.php. Okay, then code is ready for you. I'll share this code with you so that you can just copy and paste the code and test your XAMPP server. So I'm pasting this code. Simply I'm copying and pasting the code. And this code is for the insert. So I am creating one more file name insert.php and just copying this entire code and I'll paste over here. So as you can see, I'll just explain this code to you. So the local host or the PHP MySQL is the local host for us. Root is the user. Password I'm not using any password. The phone directory database will be created by this phone directory name. And this is the cache, try and cache and the insert statement which I'm using for inserting the data. Okay. So I'll just quickly saved it and close it, right? So, sorry. I missed something over here. I'll copy it again. I'll remove all code and inserting the fresh code for you. Okay, done. We are done with the code. Uh, so see, as you know, we are creating a phone book application for you, right? So user will put some details on front end, and the details will be captured by the MySQL in the backend. Okay, so I will have to create a database that will hold our information. So this is the database, the table which we will be creating for us. Okay, so for this we need one database. Okay, so in earlier session we have seen we had one database over here, right? So this is my PHP MySQL PHP MyAdmin. This is a panel, and here you can see all the database and tables which you will be creating as part of any project. So this is my. I'll just quickly come here and like create phone app direct application. Okay, as usual, I'll use collation. I have created database. Okay, then I'll have to create a table. Okay, so for table, I have written a statement that creates the table contact. Like we will be name it contact, and underline of this, we are creating three fields. Four fields basically. One is auto incremental, the primary key, and name, phone number, and email. Okay, so I'll be creating the database for you. Okay, so we are done with the front end, back end, and the connectivity we have done. So in back end, we have created our database, name it phone directory. Okay, so uh, we are done with this, right? So I'll just quickly as I copied this IP address and simply pasted over here, right? So I'll just do one thing. I'll refresh this page. Okay, so see. I'll show you again. I copied this. I'll close this and paste again. So you can see my phone directory is working. So I'll put my name, Amit, phone number, any phone number you can add. Okay, because we haven't added any validation over here. And email ab@gmail.com. Simply I'll just add. And like when I click on the OK, you can see the contact has contact added successfully. Okay, it means the contact, the details which you have used, that is saved successfully into your table. So I'll open this thing, and like if I checked, see the entry which I have passed here, it is successfully adding to the database. I'll for to I'll add more details. I'll add Sagar. I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Sagar. Okay, so as you can see, I have uh, added the information, and you can see this same information here in the database section. Okay, so our motive was to create a simple application and host that onto your XAMPP server. So we have deployed successfully our application on XAMPP server. So if you have any query, concern, or any question, you can put into the comment section, and I'll be there for help. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.